Today's Trains, Planes and Automobiles travel blog is another train trip, and we're off to Salisbury again. So this time it's the third trip to Salisbury, with this time the only difference between the last two is that I have booked assistance for both ends. So going and coming back, I have allocated time and booked it online on the South West Trains website, so I have the confirmation here. Right then, so let's get off and buy our tickets, and we're getting the 10:02, and let's see if it makes any difference.
Southwest Trains service to London.
I was going to say, yeah, they're comfy.
Yeah, actually, This train has one platform 3 on the O9 48 Great Western Railway service.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Platform. Doors opening. Doors closing.
The next train will depart from platform 3 for the O9 48 Great Western Railway service to Swindon via Melksham.
Hello, I booked assistance.
That's all right.
Do you want the number?
Do you need the number?
Just saw you.
It's assistance
Yes, it is. It's 153329.
for a ramp.
Yeah, sure. They come back in the pre.
I'm going to Salisbury.
Yeah, I go to Salisbury
that's
at
fine,
10:02.
Yeah, okay.
Alright,
I hope you'll
thank you.
Well,
I'm automatically, if it doesn't come on, you don't realise.
Interesting reception there. They looked at it and they didn't really understand what to do with it, and sometimes I despair. Anyway, this is the third.
48 Great Western Railway service to Swindon.
I'll just wait for that to finish.
Calling at Trowbridge, Melksham, Chippenham and Swindon. This train has one coach.
Yeah, it's a lot of coaches. So as I was saying, this is trip number 3 of three. The first time was quite a few weeks ago now, but I didn't book at all either end. and the second trip I did approximately 2 weeks ago, and I booked the outward journey, and I didn't book the return because I didn't know what time I was going to be coming back. Now this time, the third trip, I've booked both ways, so I have to come back on a specific time because they've booked it for the assistant I've got there with the ramp in Salisbury. So we'll see how everything is when we get there, and obviously come back and report back to you about how it went. But for now, we're waiting now. We've got about 10 minutes or so to go before the train arrives, and then we'll see what happens. Hopefully they won't have a blank look on their face again, as if to say, what the heck are you talking about? We have no idea. So, you know, and then we'll decide about, do not leave your luggage.
Luggage left unattended may be removed without warning or destroyed or damaged by the security services.
Well, I better actually move myself then, because they'll think I'm baggage and probably blow me up.
We are sorry to announce that the 10:02 service to Portsmouth Harbour via Southampton Central is delayed by approximately 4 minutes.
So the train is delayed by 10 minutes, and then it was delayed by 8 minutes, and then it was delayed by 4 minutes. So I think it's actually 6 minutes delay, because it's on the board of 10:08 now. So it was 10:02. And I've just reversed. We were looking at the train and trying to get the sound bite with the announcement, and I reversed into a pole, which is the one behind me, and I caught my hand on it. That really hurts. Mind you, that's my own fault. I reversed and didn't look where I was going. So, you know, when you do that, you're going to expect problems.
For more information, please visit gwr.com/revenue protection.
To Great Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour via Southampton Central.
Yes, thank you.
Manage?
A bit of a tight turn. Oh no.
I couldn't get to you too. Alright. No.
Sorry.
There you go, you got it.
Thank you. How much room is there? I'll do that turn round.
There you go.
Get out of the way.
Challenging.
That's it. Okay.
Alright. There.
Yeah, just about. Where are you sitting?
I'm here. Hold on.
Didn't make it easy, do they?
Well, you know, it's a kind of an awkward shape in some ways.
It's just the door as well.
Yeah.
The angle of the
Yeah.
entry.
Yeah. Sometimes I just can't plan for everything, you know?
No,
Right?
but it's better than what it was, you know? It's a lot better. You can go on trains now.
Yeah. God,
Where are you
yeah.
from? You sound like you're from
I'm from the United States.
America? Yeah, whereabouts?
I come from Seattle,
Okay.
far away.
Yeah.
About as
been
far
to-
away as you can get.
Yeah. I've been to Rhode Island. I really like that. That was a really nice place.
That's on the opposite side.
Yeah, on the east coast. Yeah.
Yeah. Very
lovely,
different.
lovely country.
Oh yeah. The Northeast is beautiful.
So you're here on holiday?
Yes. Yep. I'm here visiting a variety of friends.
Tour?
Well, yeah, kind of. I
do you
brought my
think of the weather?
grandson with me. I hate it actually. This is horrible.
Yeah.
It's like, you know, in the Northwest we have the kind of weather you normally have.
All right.
So like it's like, you know, high.
Thailand in 2 weeks.
Ah, I've been to Thailand. Where are you going?
I'm going to go and visit my wife.
Oh,
I've been to
okay.
Khon Kaen.
Ah, you've been there a few times, I'm
Yeah,
guessing
yeah.
then.
Yes. Unfortunately, we've had a problem with visas.
Oh, oh,
Yeah.
I hate that.
She came over last year. about 2 or 3 minutes left. Now we're coming into the thing. I'll go and get ready for.
Okay, I'm gonna get out of your way.
Yeah, that's fine.
Have yourself a lovely day.
Yes, lovely to meet you as well.
Nice
Thank
to
you.
I'm Carla, by the way.
Andy.
Andy, nice to meet you, Andy.
Yeah. Wasn't it about quick? Oh, no, right.
I think it's on
Yeah,
the other
there's a ramp
side,
there.
actually.
The ramp just arrived.
I don't think you can get through the barrier with that ticket. There we go.
So we'll get out of here.
Only going past Salisbury? Okay. Okay?
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Well, there we go. That's arrived in Salisbury, no problem, and having a long chat with a lovely lady from America, which I really enjoyed, and it passed the time really good. So now we just have to do the return journey. Hello, so I've got a booking for going home. So
where are you going?
it's Westbury, it's 106.
106, this is on platform 4.
Okay, lovely.
I'll get somebody to help you. Jenny? This gentleman's going on the 106.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's fine, I'll put that down. You'll be on this one.
Great Western Railway service to Park Central via Bristol Temple Meads. Calling at Warminster, Westbury, Trowbridge, Bradford-on-Avon. Railway service to Great Malvern via Bristol Temple Meads. Calling at Warminster, Dilton Marsh, Westbury, Trowbridge, Bradford-on-Avon, Avon Freshford, Bath Spa, Oldfield Park, Keynsham, Bristol Temple Meads, Filton Abbey Wood, Bristol Parkway, Yate, Cam and Dursley, Gloucester, Cheltenham Spa, Ashchurch or Tewkesbury, Worcester Shrub Hill, Worcester Foregate Street, Malvern Link and Great Malvern. Due to short platforms, customers for Dilton Marsh, Avoncliff and Freshford should join the front coach only. Customers for Castle Perry and Taunton should change at Westbury. This train is formed of 2 coaches. Platform 4 for the delayed 1306 Great Western Railway service to Great Malvern via Bristol Temple Meads.
So why are they late today then?
Oh, they're doing some cable work down Alderbury way on the Dean line.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
For back stop,
Stops at Bath, this one.
but does it matter which wagon we go in?
It's only a 2 car. I think it's, no, I don't know. I think it's only a 1 car, I think.
They said for certain stops to go in one.
Yeah, you'll be okay.
You're okay, it stops at Bath. Takes you about an hour. I think this train's only got 1 on, I think. It went over earlier on.
All right.
I think there's only 1 car on there.
Right.
Should have been here
Be a
now.
bit crowded.
Yeah, should be alright.
It's a bit late then, isn't it?
It is late. Should have been here. 12. Got nearly 13 now. Afternoon.
Enjoying the weather?
Too hot.
And will that cool down?
Yeah, it's going to cool down and next week it's going to get back warmer again. Yeah.
The train now approaching platform 4 is the 1306 Great Western Railway service to Great Malvern via Bristol Temple Meads. This train is the service from Southampton Central.
Yeah. Anytime soon. Oh, here it is. 1 car. Oh dear. Going to be a bit crowded.
Platform 4 for the delayed 1306 Great Western Railway service to Great Malvern. Calling at Warminster, Dilton Marsh, Westbury, Trowbridge, Bradford-on-Avon, Avoncliff,
Back the other way.
due to short platforms, customers for Dilton Marsh, Avoncliff and Freshford.
Get off at Westbury. Finish. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Put your room in there.
Lovely.
Okay.
Just been sorting out my ramp for you. Got to go up the other end, guys. Just put it all down there. Yeah, mate. Yeah, she's right, she goes back here.
You need the ramp here, mate. Right, hold on. We'll just get the ramp. Right.
Yeah, we need to go Boston, so we don't need to get off now.
No, you don't. No. Just wait there, we'll go and get it for you, mate.
6.
Right, a minute.
Why?
Right, now you can get on.
Okay.
All right, cheers, that, mate. Okay, you have a good one, mate. Take care. Sorry, mate. There you go.
Back in Westbury, and I have to say that the result of that experiment, booking may help if you go a long way, like with more than one station, but I think that the problem we've got here is that it's such a short journey that we're getting the comparison, because every single time when I get back to Westbury, because it's a major station where people change shifts and what happened there was the driver was getting off, and probably the guard was getting off too, but they weren't actually ready for me with the ramp. And as we pulled into the station, I could see the staff there and the ramp wasn't out, so I knew that they weren't going to be ready for me. Of course, luckily it was only one carriage, and the driver was able to call the staff over. So as far as booking, yeah, I think longer journeys you would probably want to book, but this is probably you could get away with not booking, and obviously coming back to Westbury is the difficult part of it. If you've enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe to my channel. I thank you for watching, and we'll catch you again very soon for another one.